It's time for
Strike a break
with the USS KIDD.
And NAO TRINIDAD.
Hi there. We're in the middle of a port visit from the NAO TRINIDAD out of Sevilla, Spain. We're going to play a little trivia game with our visitors. You play at home along with us. Let's go. All right, our first player. You guys were on board the ship last night, yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right, you had a good overnight?
Oh, yes. It was very pleasant.
And you toured Trinidad and KIDD?
Yes, we were able to tour both ships, which was amazing.
Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to hit you with two questions, one from KIDD and one from Trinidad.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, first question from the KIDD. What was the KIDD's nickname?
Pirate of the Pacific.
Excellent, well done. And now for Trinidad. Can you tell me the name of the person who led the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe? Magellan. Excellent. Thanks for playing.
Awesome.
All right, Trinidad question. How many were on the crew?
That's a great question.
I
think they
Do you have a great answer?
I think they need at least 17 people, but
It was 23.
All right.
Can you tell me what island the KIDD was off of when it was struck by the kamikaze?
Told us this so many times. Pacific Island?
It's in the Pacific.
Yeah. Mary Island?
No, Canaries are in the Atlantic.
I don't know.
Don't know.
It's better than mine.
Okay.
I only know Virgin.
Cayman Islands.
Jamaica.
Okay. Okay, a Trinidad question.
Okay, go ahead.
How many years did it take for Magellan's fleet to make it around the world?
Ooh, around the world. It's got to be multiple years. Man, is there any way I can phone a friend? Or...
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'd like to phone my brother Carlos over there. Oh, I got denied.
Oh, no.
So,
Take a shot.
what? Around the world? Around the world. That's so big, such broad surfaces. I don't know, I'd say about 50 years.
No.
Less?
Less.
Let's go with 13. Lucky 13. 5 years.
Closer.
4.
Closer.
2.5.
Too small.
3 years.
Hey!
Winner chicken dinner. Woohoo!
Next question, please.
KIDD question.
That's a good question.
A question for a kid. I don't think so.
You're a kid, lady.
Off of what island was KIDD struck by a kamikaze?
It was
It's a
green.
shame.
There were trees there. There were beaches.
It was at a bar.
It might have been at a bar.
It was at a bar.
Where were we drunk?
It's a kamikaze.
Kamikaze.
Garcia?
Hey. All right, guys, real easy one here. Trinidad went around the world, or attempted to go around the world. They had the fleet of 5 ships. How many people out of all 5 of those crews actually made it back to Spain?
18.
18, very good. Can you tell me who the USS KIDD was named after?
Oh, man. Shoot. You gave me the tough one. I'm not going to lie. I can't remember. But it was a great, the whole experience was just great. Just to know how we had to do things before technology took over and to all the extents. It was just awesome. The bathrooms, how they would sleep, the quarters and everything. It was just a great learning experience. Very interesting and above all, very, very informative.